Why didn't you fight
At that guy? That was just a hologram.
Father, calm down.
Quiet.
Bro, chill. I'm Major Marco Rossi of...
No need.
Father, shall we...
You go back.
And you, Father, you were gone for so long.
I don't have a... Until the day I find the fort, there is no...
Father!
Don't be sad, kid.
Oh, I'm used to it.
Your father,
Hologram? You mean
the pharaoh.
he was the very last pharaoh of the ancient...
4. He looks quite a character, but I didn't
Oh, absolutely. Even the most powerful...
Huh. Is that why your father's...
The 4 gems.
Holy cow!
That's not entirely. An ancient home has been passed down. As the glory of the world's beginning dissipated, slowly but surely, the dark force awakened. The lava gem inflamed the very earth. The purification gem became blacker than black. The Volt Gem manifested the commandments of the desert. The Gravity Gem belonged to the last Guardian.
Well, that doesn't help much.
That is the prophetic poem I wish my father could lead in.
Interesting. Iris, get home safely. I've got...
Mission start!
time!